Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the XREXS large digital wall clock. I'm pretty excited about this thing. I think the cool factor is a 10 plus, so let's get into it. It's pretty simple out of the box. You get the clock itself, you get a template if you want to mount it on the wall, and you get a manual. They have a large and an extra large. This is the large, and let's turn it over. Let's take a look at the back so you can get an idea. You have some push button controls over there. Looks like a spot for the battery. I believe that is a stand. Yes. Looks like a speaker over here. Here's a couple mounting holes if you want to do it on the wall. Pretty simple, pretty basic, easy to understand. So another thing I'm pretty sure you'll be interested in is the size. So it is about 14 inches in width. The height is 6 inches, and it's about 1 3/4 inches deep. When you open the battery compartment, you will find 4 AA batteries and 2 AAA batteries. The batteries are sealed in plastic, so remove the plastic covering. Once you unwrap those batteries and turn it on, this is what you get. Those times aren't correct, I haven't set it, but it is very cool looking, very nice. I won't cover all these instructions on video, but here is the manual that you get, and they're very easy to set. So you can go through there and make all the correct settings. You can set your languages, your year, month, time, your date, and temperature if you want it in Celsius or Fahrenheit. You set an alarm on this thing. It's got a timer, has a snooze function. So there's so many things that you can set this clock up. This XREXS clock is going to look good just about anywhere you put it. Here it is on the bench in my garage. Here it is in our family room downstairs. Looks really nice. Have you ever wondered what to put on the toilet tank in your bathroom? Well, right there, looks great. All right, it looks great in the kitchen as well, especially when you're cooking. You got the clock and you can set a timer and things like that. Perfect for the kitchen. It even looks great in the den on an end table beside the couch. Even looks great in the bedroom. The XREXS clock looks great everywhere. The bathroom, yes, absolutely. It looks great. I haven't found a place yet where I put this clock that it doesn't look good. It even looks good on my back porch. Well, I guess you can tell by the video that I do like the clock. So if you're looking at this clock, I hope you have found this video helpful.